The screen flashes red. Another losing trade. Trader's account takes another hit. His hands clench, jaw tightens, and mind begins to spiral out of control. Now, he wants it back. Not tomorrow. Not next session. Maybe this one will work, he thinks. Maybe I'll catch the move this time. There's no setup, no plan, no confirmation. It's just raw emotion and a burning desire to recover his losses. His eyes dart across the chart, searching for any opportunity. You're trying to get even with the market, to prove it wrong. But here's the harsh truth. The market doesn't care. It doesn't owe you anything, and it never will. Without thinking, he clicks to enter a trade, and clicks again. Your edge, your carefully honed strategy is gone. Buried beneath a mountain of anger and frustration. It starts with pain, the sting of loss, and the desperate need to make it right. But deep down, he knows it's not going to work. It never does when it starts like this. This isn't strategy. This isn't discipline. This is revenge trading, pure and simple. And revenge trading doesn't begin with logic or careful analysis. In this moment, you're not trading the chart anymore. You're trading your emotions. The next loss hits, then another. The screen keeps flashing red, mocking your efforts. You feel it now. That sickening pit in your stomach. It's not just about losing money anymore, it's about losing control. But what if you paused? What if instead of forcing another trade, you accepted the loss? What if your next move wasn't to click that mouse, but to take a moment of silence? A walk outside, a deep breath, a chance to reset your mind. Remember, discipline isn't just about knowing when to act, it's about knowing when to stop. But you need to be in the right mental state to capitalize on it. Or was it simply a trade that didn't work out despite your best efforts? Your trading plan matters, but only if you actually trade it. Not your frustration, not your ego, not your fear. But remember, this is just one moment in your trading journey. It doesn't define you. They re the ones who know how to handle those losses with grace and use them as fuel for improvement. The best traders in the world don't just react to the market. They respond with clarity and purpose. That red trade was never the real problem. It was what came after. The spiral of emotion that led to poor decisions. So the next time you take a loss, and there will be losses, that's part of trading. Don't seek revenge. Seek clarity instead. Or do you stay true to your process, your discipline, your edge? Because the real edge in trading isn't just about having a great strategy. It's about knowing when to walk away, and then coming back sharper, more focused, and ready to trade with a clear mind. That's how you build a successful trading career that stands the test of time, one decision at a time, one trade at a time. That's how you build long-term success in this challenging game. Remember, the market will always be there. There will always be another opportunity. So take a breath, step back, analyze what went wrong without emotion. Was it a flaw in your strategy? Did you break your rules? Learn from it. Adjust if necessary. But don't let one loss, or even a string of losses, define you as a trader. The truly successful traders aren't the ones who never lose. Your ego might be bruised right now. Your account might be down. What defines you is how you respond in these moments of pressure. Do you let emotion take the wheel? The choice is yours. And it's a choice you'll face again and again throughout your trading career. So make the right choice. Choose discipline over revenge. Choose patience over impulsiveness. Choose long-term success over short-term gratification. That's what separates the traders who make it from those who don't. You have the power to turn this around. Not by forcing trades or chasing losses, but by recommitting to your strategy and your principles. Take that walk, clear your head, and come back ready to trade with purpose and clarity. The next great trade isn't born from revenge. It's born from patience, discipline, and a calm, focused mind. You've got this. One decision at a time. One trade at a time.